This is an ugly one. Be out of sight as well. Kind of. Oh man, if that bit was gone.
There's a wallop. It's going to just split the whole thing in half this like. I've just split yours in half.
Oh no!
All worth it in the end, eh? For a stone slightly too low. Needs a decent sized flat one on there. Ah. Ah.
I mean,
okay, so that one I can't do.
Either, well, you could get your hammer, shave that off, maybe. There you go. Bad start. Some of these are just massive. The wider end actually come this side so that it can go around that curve nicely. What do you think?
Alright, whatever.
Wow. Not bad. Let's see what the... Oh. Oh.
Oh, that'd go perfectly on my side actually. I'm just yeah.
You can have it if you like.
Ah, it's not as nice as I thought it'd be.
What's wrong with it?
Well, I just need to prop it up and well, I can do that.
I'll leave that. It's up to you, I mean.
Although you could always just stick it in the middle if you want, I don't know.
In the middle?
Like a little bit to the... Put it where you want, man. Do you want it?
Yeah, I'll have it, yeah.
Okay, take it back then.
Alright. I'll try not to disrupt your one. I'll just work around this.
No.
Oh no!
Oh, mate.
Ah. God's sake,
Yeah,
man. Ah, no.
Stuff, yeah. Are you wanting those stuff? Oh, that's a nice little window joint on there. The issue is I can't even like step back and take a look at it, do you know what I mean?
That's a fair point, yeah.
I'm just kind of trapped here. Oh god. You can't see all of my running lines. Right, where? At the end of that one?
Yeah, I'll try not to disrupt him.
Okay. So then if I prop that up on my side. No, not there. A bit further up, if you can. There we go. Bash. Right, try that. Right.
Ready to cope?
Sure am.
Yeah, okay.
Maybe a particularly big one over there though, do you know what I mean?
The bigger one on the right on the end.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah. Not a bad job I've got here, I just kind of...
Something like that, do you think? Yeah. Yeah.
That looks alright. Okay, Bash. Right, food.